This tiny creature, will it survive today or disappear forever? A raging snowstorm surrounds everything, the temperature far below freezing. A small puppy trembles beneath the snow. No mother, no shelter. No one ever walks this road, except one lonely traveler. Suddenly, he stops. Movement beneath the snow. He takes off his own coat and wraps the puppy inside. In this cold, fire is not the greatest warmth. Humanity is. Today, one human became an entire world for a tiny life. If you want more stories like this, like and subscribe.